Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw after a refinance using Better Mortgage, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have your Better Mortgage account credentials ready. Log in to your Better Mortgage account on their website. Navigate to the loan section of your dashboard. Select the option for refinancing if prompted. Click on View Loan Details for your current mortgage. Review the information about your loan to confirm your eligibility for withdrawal. Determine how much equity you have in your home. Consider the amount you need to withdraw for your financial goals. Reach out to a Better Mortgage representative if you have. Find the Cash Out Refinance option on the website. Fill out the application form for a cash out refinance. Provide information about your financial status and the purpose of the withdrawal. Upload any necessary documentation, such as income and asset statements. Submit your application for processing. Wait for a loan officer to review your application. Expect to receive updates via email about the status of your cash out refinance. Once approved, review the loan terms carefully. Make sure the terms align with your withdrawal needs and financial situation. Sign the loan documents electronically. Schedule a closing date with your loan officer. Attend the closing meeting either in person or virtually. After closing, funds will be dispersed to you based on the agreed terms. Monitor your bank account for the withdrawal amount. Keep track of your new mortgage payments going forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.